Oh, now if you've ever been to a chocolate drop show or lit this up or anything, and you may know, well, we would like to take this opportunity. This is Dom, and my name is Rhiannon, and we'd like to take this opportunity to officially introduce two other members of the band on stage. This is a song that I think showcases both of them quite nicely. Yep. To our right here, this is Adam Mata. And you know what he does. You've been able to tell what he's doing up here. And then on mandolin and guitar, this is Hubby Jenkins. I'm sorry, Hubert.
It's really great being in the band, but I've been having two problems, really. One is, like, whenever this song comes up, it's always after a really good song. It's like, here's the best song we got, now, Hoover, whatever, go do something. I guess the other one's, I got a lot of women vocals, so we'll do this one. It's called From 4 Till 8. A guy named Robert Johnson. It's in the key of C if you want to sing along. How we doing? From 4 till 8, I was bringing my hands and crying. From 4 till 8, I was wringing my hands and crying. And I believe in my soul that your man is gone. From Memphis to Norfolk is a 36-hour drive. From Memphis to Norfolk is a 36-hour drive. But ain't a man just like a prisoner, and he ain't never satisfied. Now a woman's just like a dresser, so man always running through which drawer. Now a woman's just like a dresser, so man's always running through which drawer. And she caused so many men to wear an apron. Oh, by the way, tell us all about it. And she don't do nothing but tear a good man's reputation down. Oh, when I leave this town, gonna pitch
come back again. You'll have a great long story.